Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase Telegram download speed. So to increase your Telegram download speed, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your settings of your Telegram, that's right here. So just go to the data and storage and clear your entire cache. So this removes all cache and random data that are not even being needed. So what you're going to do here, there's also automatic media download. So using Wi-Fi, you can set it to medium only so that it will have faster download speed or even low. So you can go high, it depends on your Wi-Fi network. If you're using cellular, you can also choose to go medium or high or low. So low when you have really low speeds, medium when you have okay internet, and high if you really have good internet. So there you go. There's also an option where you go Telegram Premium. So here you can actually see that it will double your time of download. So here, faster download speeds. As you can see, there's no limit on speed which media and documents are downloaded. So there you go guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.